code. And then I'll have a separate project for the client and a third project for the server. So let's create the common code first. So I'm going to call this simple RMI common. And I'm just going to import from my existing project that I just showed you the interface, and then I'm going to tweak that to work with RMI. So I need to go to my file system, and that was in PyComputer, and the files in particular that I'm interested in are these guys in common. So these two are what I want. Okay, so there's my common code. Now, in order to use RMI, there's a few things we have to do. First of all, we have to specify in the interfaces that we're remoting the fact that we are remoting them. So what we need to do is add on to here extends remote, and remote is actually defined in java.rmi. So I need to import that package, which Eclipse helps me do quite handily. And then the other thing I have to do is every method that's going to be remoted has to report the fact that it's possible it would throw these exceptions. I'm going to have remote throws remote exception here, and once again Eclipse will help me import the proper package here automatically. Okay. And there's one other detail I have to take care of. Any object that I'm going to pass as a parameter has to implement the interface serializable. Okay. Implements. Okay, and once again, Eclipse will help me do that. That's in java.io. Okay, so that's all I need to do to make my interfaces and parameter code Java RMI ready. Okay, now I'm going to create a second Java project in Eclipse, and this is going to be hold my server code, so I'm going to call it simple RMI server. And since it relies on the common code, I'm going to make sure that my Eclipse project references this on the build path. Okay, and the next thing I want to do is just reuse as much of that code of our original project as possible, so I'm going to import the server wrapper. Okay, make sure this is in the right package. Okay. Okay, in order for my server to be used over RMI, I need to extend this class defined by RMI to inherit all the RMI stuff I need under the hood. So for most servers, you're going to implement or extend, unicast remote object. Okay, and Eclipse helps me pick up that package, which is Java RMI server. Okay, and then once again, I have to denote that this throws remote exception. Okay, and another thing I need to do is add a default constructor.